I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have a super easy salsa recipe for you. Just for, well, maybe 5 ingredients if you include the salt, and just a few minutes, and you can have fresh made salsa, easy and delicious. So let's get started and I'll show you how. First, we're going to chop some tomatoes up, and then we're going to dice purple onion and cilantro, and then we'll give it a squeeze of lime. In this one I used half a lime, and at this point you can add salt also. I didn't to this batch, and then just give it a nice stir to incorporate all the flavors, and you can let it sit in the refrigerator for about a half an hour to let the flavors kind of meld together, and then it's just time to serve it. It looks so pretty too with the cilantro and the purple onions and the tomatoes, and that's it. If you like the printable recipe and the variations for this easy salsa recipe, head on over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.